Hey everybody, Jay at LockNLube. Today we're going to talk through the 3 different 90-degree adapters that we offer here, the differences between them, and when you may want to use one versus the other. The first adapter we have here is the L120 90-degree adapter. This is a great all-around adapter that's going to allow you to reach down to get recessed fittings and also to get those fittings that may just have a low overhead clearance. Inside this collar is a grease fitting that's going to serve as your quick connect for your LockNLube coupler. So once you're locked on there, you can now get this onto your grease fitting. You can see with very little clearance. It's also got an adjustable collar, so if you want to lock it down once you're on the fitting or loosen it up a little bit to get it off and make that process a little bit easier. Next one we've got is the L121. This is what we call our push-on 90. This is going to be best suited for really low clearance areas where the fitting is not recessed. The reason for that is that this adapter slides on from the side. So on the back you've got your quick connect Zerk, and once you're on there you can see that you slide on from the side. I'm going to show you that it does take a little bit of force to push on there, but once you're on, you just need to make sure that you keep a perpendicular angle with that grease fitting, because there's a pinhole in here that's going to put the grease right into the ball bearing on the top of that Zerk. And when you're done, pull it off. Again, takes a little bit of force to do it, to unlock it. And the question we get with this is about this goop that's inside of it. That is there intentionally. Please don't try to take it out. The reason it's there is to prevent dirt and grime from building up inside this slot around the pinhole. The last adapter we're going to talk about is the L129. We call this our Simple 90. This is a super narrow 3-jaw grease coupler that's got a 90-degree Zerk in the back that serves as a quick connect. You grab onto that with your LockNLube, and you can see that the height on this is going to be a little bit taller than our other adapters, but the diameter on it is much more narrow. So if you're trying to get at a grease fitting that is recessed, has a small hole, maybe hard to get at, this is a great option. This ring here is also going to allow you to adjust the tension so that you can get onto that Zerk easily, and once you're on there, snug it down, and when you're done greasing, loosen up a little bit to get it off. So that's the overview of the 3 90-degree adapters we offer here at LockNLube. The L120 for all-around access to both recessed and hard-to-reach fittings. The L121 to get on to the side of fittings that have extremely low overhead clearance. And the L129 Simple 90 for very narrow openings or deeply recessed fittings. Thanks for watching, and for more information on these adapters or any of our other products, check out LockNLube.com or search for us on YouTube.